In this question, a reaction series is given. We have to identify the major product X in this given reaction. And the reagents are given as first one chlorine with ferric chloride, and the second one is tin and HCl, third one sodium nitrate and HCl at a temperature 273 to 278 Kelvin, and the last reagent used here is potassium iodide. In order to predict the major product of the reaction, we have to know the complete reaction series. In the starting of the reaction, the reagent is treating with chlorine and ferric chloride solution. Here, the hydrogen atom from this carbon atom will be substituted by the chlorine to produce the product A. Now, this product A on reduction with tin and HCl, the nitro group will convert into amino group. In the third step of the reaction, this compound B is reacting with sodium nitrate and HCl. So here the amino group will be converted into disodium chloride because this reaction is known as disotization. This disodium chloride again react with potassium iodide to produce the compound in which the disodium group is substituted by iodine atom. This is the major product of the reaction. Now let's come to the options given here. In the first product we can see the iodine is not present at the para position. So this is the wrong answer. And the second one is also wrong because the iodine is present at the second position and chlorine is at the para position. The third product is the correct product that is obtaining in the reaction. And the correct answer is option C. And D is also wrong. Here iodine is on the correct position and chlorine is not at the correct carbon atom.